J-Hope. I believe he's from the famous BTS group. I'm not really sure about that, but this one is called On the Streets. He gets accompanied with J. Cole as well there. So yeah, cool collaboration there. We have a great song. It's easy to play, and we'll start this with the capo set here on the 2nd fret. So we have 4 chords that goes in the same order through the entire song. Okay. So we'll look at the chords now. We'll start with the F major 7. So that is 3rd on G, 2nd on G, 1st on B, and open E. We have next chord here. It's a G-B chord based upon the G, but we'll start from the B note here. So 2nd fret A string, open D, open G, 3rd B, and we can go with open E there in the end. So that's the G-B, and then we have the A minor. So that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. And we'll finish off with the E minor. So that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. Alright, so we have the strumming pattern left here. We'll look at that with this F major 7, since that's the 1st chord. So 1 round will be down, up, clap, up. Again, down, up, clap, up. And a couple of rounds sounds like this. So there you have it. Now we'll look at the chord progression, and it goes actually in the same order we looked at the chords. So F major, the G-B, A minor, and E minor. You're gonna play 2 strumming rounds per chord, and that gives us guys, so there you have it, On the Street. Good luck with this one, guys, and play tuned.